This is the mega factory behind the world's most famous candy bar.
The journey begins here, in a mega plant where scale and precision meet.
Raw ingredients arrive in bulk. Tons of cocoa, milk, sugar, peanuts, and corn syrup.
First, the nougat base. Ingredients are whipped for hours to create its signature light, chewy texture.
Meanwhile, peanuts are roasted for flavor, then optically sorted to ensure only the best are used. In separate vats, caramel is cooked to a precise temperature to achieve its gooey, rich consistency.
The assembly line begins. A continuous sheet of nougat forms the foundation. A rain of roasted peanuts is evenly distributed across the nougat layer. Then, the liquid caramel is poured, sealing the peanuts in a sweet, sticky layer. The slab is cooled to set the layers together before cutting. Once set, it's precisely cut into long, continuous bars of the exact width. The bars take their iconic form, passing under a waterfall of rich milk chocolate. Excess chocolate is removed underneath, creating the familiar pattern on the bar's base.
A final cooling tunnel solidifies the chocolate to a perfect snap.
At incredible speed, each bar is wrapped in its signature foil and paper sleeve. Each bar is scanned and weighed. Any that don't meet strict standards are rejected. They are then bagged, ready for distribution. Cartons are packed and stacked onto pallets by robotic arms, ready to ship worldwide.
Every bite delivers the promised combination of chew, crunch, and melt.
From here, they are shipped to stores across the globe, satisfying hunger everywhere.
From factory to fingertips, it's more than a candy bar. It's a moment of satisfaction recognized worldwide.
Day and night, this blend of culinary art and food science works to produce an icon.